How to create your very own noob avatar on Roblox in the easiest way. Now, Roblox has a plethora of different types and styles of avatars to actually work with, okay? So, if you want to create your very own noob avatar, it's really easy to do so, okay? A classic noob avatar looks basically just like this. And to create the noob avatar, simply come over to your Roblox, okay? And over here, you're going to scroll down to Avatar. Once you scroll down to Avatar, to get the Noob Avatar Realistics, now if you're an old veteran player, you're already going to have it as default inside of your section. But if you want to, change it up, switch it up into something entirely different, you can work along with that as well. Okay, so over here, first and foremost, you're going to go with the body. Okay, so in the heads, you're going to get the standard Stevie head. Once you've gotten the standard Stevie head, from there on out, you're going to go over to the hair. Of course, the noob avatar, as you can clearly see, is a shocking yellow. So we're going to go with a shocking yellow right there. Then, of course, hair, we're going to go with no hair. Okay, and if you don't have no hair over here present, you can simply buy it from here. And, of course, then as you go on, keep on changing things according. So a blue top, green pants, and you're good to go. Now, in most cases, if you do have money and you're willing to spend it, you can simply just search up noob avatar in the marketplace as well. You don't necessarily have to create it totally from scratch, okay? So simply come over to the marketplace, and over here, you're simply going to come here and search for noob avatar. And once you search for noob avatar, the avatar should appear here for you. Look at that. So classic noob avatar, new pixel avatar as you keep going on. So just buy it from here. It's pretty simple and pretty cheap. And that is pretty much about it for this video. So thank you for watching all the way till the end. And I'm going to be seeing all of you in the next video. Have a great day. I'll see you next time. Goodbye.